Hello and welcome to this answer explanation video. This video will take you through the answers to the 5 times table worksheet and will talk you through some of the tricky bits.
In this video, I will take you through the answers to the 5 times table worksheet. Now, if you don't know your 5 times tables, you can use a number line with jumps of 5 to help you. If you do know them, you can work them out in your head, or you can draw pictures or use the images to help you as well. So let's start with question 1. Complete the calculations and match them to the correct images below. So here we have some images that are all showing groups of 5. Hands, because there are 4 fingers and a thumb, making 5 on each one. Dice with 5 dots on each one, and pinwheels with 5 parts on each one. So let's first count them up and see which number they are representing. So we're going to count in 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now for the dice, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And now for the pinwheels, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So that should make it really easy to match up with our calculations. So let's look at the missing calculations. We've got 5 multiplied by something equals 35. Well, it matches with the flags because they both show 35. So I'm going to match those up. But now I need to find out what my missing number is. How many groups of 5 are there? Well, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 5. So 5 multiplied by 7 equals 35. Let's move on. 5 times 5 equals, well, to work out the answer, we need to count 5 jumps of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. My answer is 25. So it matches with the hands because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 5. Finally, something multiplied by 5 equals 40. Well, it matches with the dice. That's the last one left because the dice also show 40. They both represent the same number, but how many groups of 5 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 groups of 5. 8 multiplied by 5 equals 40. Let's move on to the next question then. Okay. Use the digit cards below to complete the calculations. Each card can be used more than once. So for this question, again, you could draw groups to help you, a number line or count on in your head, and I've got my number line to help me to solve the answers. So A, 5 multiplied by something equals 50. So I need to count up to 50 and count how many jumps I do. How many groups of 5 there are within 50. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 groups of 5. 5 multiplied by 10 equals 50. Now for B. Something multiplied by something equals 0. So that would be 0 groups of 5 or 5 groups of 0 because 0 groups of 5 is 0. Moving on with C. 10 equals something multiplied by 5. So I need to count up to 10 and see how many jumps of 5 I do. So 1, 2. I did 2 jumps. So 2 multiplied by 5 or 2 groups of 5 makes 10. Now for the last one. 15 equals something multiplied by 3. Well, we know that it's groups of 5, so 5 is going to be the missing answer, but we can count 3 groups of 5 to check. 1, 2, 3. 5, 10, 15. Yes, that is correct as well. Okay, the final question then. Sarah's machine multiplies numbers by 5. She thinks her machine is broken and that some of the answers are wrong. Do you agree? Explain your answer. So she's got the numbers going in, she's multiplied them all by 5, and here are her answers. If her machine does multiply by 5, the 3 calculations would be 2 times 5, 5 times 5, and 10 times 5. Let's work all of those out and check our answers against hers to see if the machine is correct or not. So we need 2 times 5 or 2 jumps of 5. 1, 2. 5, 10. 2 multiplied by 5 equals 10. And it does match with the answer that's come out of the machine. So that's correct. Let's move on. 5 multiplied by 5, 5 groups of 5, 5 jumps of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That does not match the answer that's come out of the machine. So the machine must be broken. The answer to 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Let's do the final one then. 10 multiplied by 5, 10 groups of 5 or 10 jumps of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 10 multiplied by 5 makes 50. But they've put the answer as 20. So that's also incorrect. 10 multiplied by 5 equals 50. So her machine is broken. I agree with Sarah.
That was the answer explanation video for the 5 times table worksheet from Classroom Secrets. If you want to watch a video tutorial linked to this skill, visit kids.classroomsecrets.co.uk. For more resources linked to this learning, visit classroomsecrets.co.uk.